If you've been searching for AI faceless reels in 2026 and wondering how people are making money online without showing their face, without recording videos, and without spending hours editing content, this video is exactly for you. Because right now, AI faceless reels are becoming one of the fastest growing ways for beginners to build traffic, grow social media pages, and generate affiliate commissions online. And honestly, most people still have no idea how big this opportunity is. AI tools are changing everything. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. That means beginners can now create content faster, post more consistently, and build online income streams without complicated tech skills. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what AI faceless reels are, how people are using them to make money online, how affiliate marketing fits into the process, and the exact business-in-a-box system beginners are using in 2026 to shortcut the learning curve. And make sure you stay until the end because I'll also show you how people are automating content creation using AI tools and why consistency matters more than perfection. Now, before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact system, AI tools, Faceless Reels library, and training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access and see everything for yourself. And also subscribe right now because on this channel, I post videos about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, side hustles, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get started. So first of all, what exactly are AI faceless reels? AI faceless reels are short-form videos created using artificial intelligence tools and faceless content styles. Instead of filming yourself, creators use AI-generated visuals, text animations, stock footage, voice generators, captions, slideshows, quotes, or viral-style edits. Then those videos are uploaded to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. And the reason this works so well is because short-form video dominates social media attention right now. People scroll constantly every single day, and social media platforms reward creators who post engaging content consistently. That's why AI faceless reels are exploding in popularity. Now, one of the biggest problems beginners face is content creation. Most people don't know what to post, how to edit, how to create hooks, or how to stay consistent. That's why most people quit before they ever see results. But AI tools are changing that completely. Inside the system I'm talking about in this video, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting content immediately without creating videos from scratch. You can customize the content if you want, add captions, tweak hooks, include affiliate links, and start building traffic right away. And honestly, this removes one of the biggest barriers beginners face online. Now, if you want access to the same AI faceless reels library and tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another huge feature inside the platform is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is important because hooks are everything in short-form content. If your video doesn't capture attention in the first few seconds, people scroll instantly. That's why creators spend so much time trying to come up with viral hooks. But with AI tools, beginners can generate hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and content angles automatically. That means faster content creation and less guesswork. And honestly, the people using AI content systems right now are moving much faster than people trying to do everything manually. Now let's talk about how AI faceless reels actually make money. This is where affiliate marketing comes in. The process is simple. You post reels. People watch the content. Some viewers click your affiliate links. Sales happen. You earn commissions. That's it. And depending on the offer, some commissions can pay around $200 per sale. Now here's the important thing. You do not need millions of followers. A lot of beginners think they need huge audiences before they can make money online. That's not true. You need targeted attention and consistency. Even smaller creators can generate affiliate commissions if they post consistently and reach the right audience. That's why short-form content combined with affiliate marketing is becoming such a powerful opportunity in 2026. Now, another reason AI faceless reels are exploding is because people want privacy. A lot of people want to make money online without becoming influencers. They don't want to constantly film themselves or share personal details online. Faceless content solves that problem. You can build pages around motivation, business, AI, finance, quotes, success clips, tutorials, or side hustles without showing your identity. That's why faceless pages are growing so quickly right now. Now, another thing I really like about this business model is how beginner-friendly it is. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, no websites, no coding. You're simply creating content and driving traffic to affiliate offers. That's why so many beginners are getting started with AI faceless reels. Now, another huge advantage is reposting content across multiple platforms. One reel can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. That means more exposure without creating extra work. And because AI tools speed up content creation, posting consistently becomes much easier. Now, another feature inside the system is automated email swipe templates. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up matters so much in affiliate marketing. Having done-for-you email templates already written saves beginners a massive amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand AI faceless reels better, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people looking for affiliate marketing and AI strategies in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to keep posting tutorials about AI content creation, faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and beginner-friendly online income methods. Now let's talk about daily workflow because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A basic workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard. Grab a few AI faceless reels. Generate hooks or captions with AI. Post content across multiple platforms. Add affiliate links. Reply to comments. Repeat consistently. That's it. Simple consistency over time. Now, obviously, this is not an overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency. But compared to traditional online business models, AI faceless reels combined with affiliate marketing is one of the lowest barrier opportunities available in 2026. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never take action. They keep researching, they keep watching videos, but they never actually start. Meanwhile, other people are posting content daily, learning the process, improving their pages, and building momentum. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start now. Learn as you go. Improve with consistency. Now, if you're serious about learning how to make money with AI faceless reels and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get in, leave a comment below this video and let me know because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials, AI content strategies, faceless reels methods, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.